Good afternoon, Standard 9. In the previous videos, I was discussing about the chapter Simultaneous Linear Equation in Two Variable. In that chapter, in the last videos, in the last 2-3 videos, I was discussing about the problem based on simultaneous linear equation. And the problem based on the word problem based on simultaneous linear equation, it is categorized in a different type. Type 1 already discussed, that is based on simply numbers. Type 2 that is already discussed, that is based on fraction. Type 3 discussed, that is based on I think 2-digit number. And type 4 that is based on age relation. Now today I will discuss type 5 and type 6. Type 5 that is based on time and work, and type 6 that is based on I think that is based on cost price and selling price. So now I am going to discuss some problems based on time and work and cost price and selling price. And after that, the miscellaneous type is also there in your textbook, but I will not discuss the miscellaneous. In miscellaneous, all 6 types of questions will be there. So you have to try the miscellaneous problem and try to do it. Especially my advice to children, all of you, just go through the examples. All the examples you have to finish it before the whatever exercises is there. Most of the question you can expect from the example. Very few questions I will give from the exercises. So try to finish the exercises, and especially those questions from the exercise, that is I already discussed in the videos. In the videos, whatever questions I have solved, that is the important from the examination point of view. So see now, see on the screen, I think it is 13th video. You can see here part 13th video of this chapter. So problems based on simultaneous equation based on time and work. Now see, Pooja and Ritu can do a piece of work in 17/1 by 7 days, both working together taking that much time. If one day work of Pooja be 3/4 of one day work of Ritu, find in how many days each will do the work. So let us suppose let Pooja alone will do the same work in X days, and Ritu alone will do the same work in Y days. Therefore, one day work of Pooja is 1 by X, and one day work of Ritu is 1 by Y. If both working together, therefore one day work of both is 1 by X plus 1 by Y, because one day work of Pooja is 1 by X and one day work of Ritu is 1 by Y. So both working together, therefore one day work of both 1 by X plus 1 by Y. It is given in the question, both can do the same work in that much day. So change it in the improper fraction. 17 sevens are 119 plus 1 120 by 7. Therefore one day work of both, according to this, take the reciprocal of this, 7 by 120. See children, so the time and work both are inversely proportional. Whatever day is there, if you are taking the reciprocal of this, this will be the work, one day work of that. So one day work of both, that is 1 by X plus 1 by Y, and this will be equated. And it is one more condition is there in the question. If one day work of Pooja be 3/4 one day work of Ritu. One day work of Pooja. So one day work of Pooja is 1 by X. B it means equal 3/4 of one day work of Ritu. 1 by X, 3 ones are 3, and 4 into Y, 4Y. And transfer this term this side, it will be negative. 3 by 4Y is equal to 0. So try to solve both the equation. For equating the coefficient, multiply the equation 1 by 3 by 4. Because 3 ones are 3 and 4 into Y, 4Y. It will be equated. And the second equation multiplied by 1. Multiplying equation 1 by 3 by 4 and equation 2 by 1, we get 3 ones are 3 and 4 into X, 4X. 3 ones are 3 and 4 into Y, 4Y. And 7 by 20 multiplied by 3 by 4. And this second equation multiplied by 1 will get same. And now don't change the sign, because equated term in the opposite sign, it will be cancelled. 3 by 4x plus 1 by x. it is cancelled. Now you can see here 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, and 1 0. So 7 ones are 7 and 44s are 160. This term added by 0 will get same. Now take the LCM in the LHS side. Now see, the LCM will be 4x because in the denominator 4x and x. So LCM will be 4x. So 4x divided by 4x 1 into 3, that is 3, and 4x divided by x cancel, 4 ones are 4. So 3 plus 4, 7 by 4x, 7 by 160. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16 and 0. Cross multiply them. X ones are x and 40 ones are 40. This will be the first answer. Putting the value of x in equation 1. Equation 1 is 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 7 by 120. Instead of x, 40 only. 1 by 40 transferring this side. Now take the LCM 120. 120 divided by this 7 minus 40 divided by this 3. 7 minus 3 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 3s are 12. Y ones are y. 30 ones are 30. Hence, if Pooja alone will do this work, it will take 40 days, and Ritu alone will do the same work, it will take 30 days. This will be the answer. See, in time and work both are inversely proportional. If time is there and if you are taking the work, take the reciprocal. If work is there, if you are taking the reciprocal, the time will come. So now see the next problem, that is type 6, based on cost price and selling price. 1250 persons went to see a circus show. Each adult paid rupees 75 and each child paid rupees 25 for the admission ticket. Find the number of adults and the number of children if the total collection from the amounts to that much. So we have to suppose here, let the number of adults be x and the number of children be y. And adult plus children is equal to total person. So x plus y and the total person in the question, that is 1250. It is equation number 1. And second condition will make each adult has to pay 75 and each child has to pay rupees 25, and the total collection is the total collection is 6125. How will calculate the total collection? Each adult paid 75 and number of adult both multiplied. Each child paid 25 and number of children is y. Both multiplied and both added, it will be 6125. This will be the total collection. So 25 is the common term, 3x plus y, so 3x plus y, and this term cancelled by 25, 2450. So now solving equation 1 and 2, x plus y is equal to 1250 and 3x plus y is equal to 2450. Now change the sign, plus with the minus, plus with the minus, plus with the minus, both will be cancelled. Minus 3x and plus x, minus 2x, and this will be subtract minus 1200. Minus cancel, 1200 cancelled by 2, that is 600. Now putting the value of x in equation number 1. Now see, putting the value of x in equation number 1, we get x. Equation 1 was x plus y is equal to 1250, x is 600 plus y is equal to 1250, y is equal to 1250 minus 600, y is equal to 650. Hence number of adult is 600 and the number of children is 650. This will be the final answer. See, what you have to do in the textbook, see the exercises. So this chapter little bit lengthy and some lengthy exercises there. I think A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In this chapter, I think 7 exercises are there. So you have to just do the type wise questions, you have to complete it. What is my suggestion? In this chapter, there are 3 different methods. One more method I will discuss that. There is 3 different methods. One method, that is elimination method by equating the coefficient of x or y. The second method, substitution method. The third method, by cross multiplication. Out of 3 methods, one question will come. Any one question will come that is solved by any one of the method. And the problem that is based on, I think, problem based on numbers, then problem based on fraction, then problem based on 2-digit number, problem based on age relation, problem based on cost, price and selling price, and problem based on time and work, and the miscellaneous. Don't suppose that the miscellaneous is another type. It is the mixed type. All the 6 types. It means A, B, C, D, E, F. In the miscellaneous in your book it is as named as G. So try to finish the all 6 types. If all 6 types it is clear, then you can solve the miscellaneous also. In miscellaneous very few questions are there. Question 30. If you cannot solve that, at least try to solve the examples. In examples total 21 I think it is there. So thank you for watching the video. All the best. In next videos it may be the 4th type, that is I will not discuss the graphical method. It may be that I will discuss, or it may be I will start the new chapter. You have to wait and watch. So thank you for watching the video. All the best.